Hey, what's up guys, it's Jordan here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the Boat Rockers 550 over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones, and let me help you make a purchase decision. Boat has launched the 550s back in August last year, and it's been quite successful till then. So today in this video let's have a look what makes the Boat Rockers 550 so special and if it's worth the price that you're paying for. So let's get going. Now taking a look at the box, we can see it has a very standard packaging with the name written in the front of the box and some specs mentioned at the back of the box. So opening up the box, we get the headphones itself. So the aux cable, the micro USB cable for charging, the instructions manual, warranty card, and the catalog of different Boat products. I purchased them at a price of around 1999 Indian rupees from Amazon India, and I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested in the same. Now just to give you a physical overview, on the ear cups you can see a Boat logo. The ear cups and the headband are decently padded with good quality cushioning. Then on the right ear cup we have the power on off button, volume rockers, then the LED indicator, a headphone jack, micro USB jack for charging, and a microphone. I got them in green color, but they are also available in other colors as well. So now coming to the design first, the Boat Rockers 550 being over the ear are lightweight and have decent cushioning for the headband and the ear cups. The ear cups feel soft and quite comfortable to wear, so even for long hours. The clamping force was decent and it didn't jam my ears completely, but yes, my ears did sweat a bit when I used them continuously for a while. The entire headphones are made out of plastic whose quality looks decent, but they have used a stainless steel and plastic for the adjustable headrest strap, which is fine. So overall, I had no much issues using them for long hours. As for the connectivity, the Boat Rockers 550 are equipped with the Bluetooth 5 technology, and I faced no interruptions or connection drops even while jogging or working out. The Bluetooth range as mentioned as 10 meters worked as claimed, and beyond that the music started stuttering. The call quality on the other hand was very good enough, and I didn't face any complaints from the receiver's end while on a phone call. As for the battery life, the Boat Rockers 550 is equipped with a 500 mAh battery, and the company claims 20 hours of continuous music playback on a single charge. And the Boat Rockers 550 lived up to its claim, which is amazing. If the battery died completely, then the charging the headphones back takes around 2.5 hours with the provided micro USB cable. I really wish they had incorporated some fast charging tech in these headphones. So overall, I'm really satisfied with the battery life of the Boat Rockers 550. Connecting the earphones to the smartphone was very quick and easy. Simply press the power button and turn on the headphones to enter the pairing mode. So then head on to your Bluetooth settings and pair your headphones. Pressing the multifunctional button will play and pause the track. So also this button can be used to pick or reject calls. Pressing the plus or the minus button will increase or decrease the volume, and long pressing the plus button will skip to the next track, whereas long pressing the minus button will skip to the previous track. Finally, double pressing on the multifunctional button will activate the voice assistant. Now coming to the sound quality, the 50mm drivers in the Boat Rockers 550 pump out some really good sound, and I was satisfied with the same. But if you're a bass lover, then this would get you a bit disappointed as it lacks that satisfying punch. The hits and highs on the other hand were really good, and I could easily distinguish between them while listening to different types of music. The vocals were quite clear to most part, but at the highest volume they got a bit distorted. The physical noise isolation that the company claims is not very effective, but yeah, it gets the job done to some extent. But when it comes to the loudness, the volume of these headphones get very high, so it might not be needed to throttle up to the highest volume every time. So as for the latency, I didn't notice any lip syncing issues while watching videos, but there was a slight lag while playing games like Call of Duty, etc. So it's recommended to connect the aux cable if you want to use them to play games. So overall, I would rate it 8 on 10 purely on music basis and 8.5 on 10 for the build quality. Finally, as for my verdict, the Boat Rockers 550 is a very good pair of over-the-ear headphones. The sound quality is great and you really pick up on everything that your music recordings have to offer. The build quality is fine, a great battery life and a decent lightweight design that these headphones offer, so it checks most of the boxes. The only place where it slightly disappoints is with the lack of punchy bass and slight distortion at the highest volumes. So if you're on a tight budget and are looking for a good pair of over-the-ear headphones, then the Boat Rockers 550 are easy to recommend. So guys, that's it for the video and I really hope you liked it. If you did, then kindly hit the thumbs up button or else I can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you haven't and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.